A lot of TPT sellers think growth comes from having better product ideas, but ideas alone rarely create long-term growth. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've worked inside the TPT marketplace for over 17 years. And one thing I eventually realized is this: ideas are easy, systems are harder. And systems are usually what determines whether growth actually scales. Most sellers already have more ideas than they could realistically create. That is usually not the problem. The problem is that ideas without structure often create scattered stores, isolated products, operational complexity, and inconsistent growth. Because ideas by themselves do not automatically create visibility, conversion, buyer pathways, or leverage. Systems do. And this is why some sellers stay trapped in constant creation for years without seeing stable growth. This was one of the hardest things for me to fully realize. Because creating feels productive. You finish something, you upload something, you feel movement, but eventually I realize movement and strategic growth are not always the same thing. That changed how I approached my entire store. Many TPT sellers are trying to grow through volume, but long-term growth usually comes from stronger systems, not endless ideas. The sellers who scale most effectively are usually not creating the most. They are creating more strategically. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so you can make clearer growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to break down one of the biggest product mistakes that quietly creates more work without creating more growth. I will see you in the next video.